Let's see how to crimp those wire connectors right. There's several things you can do wrong, but you don't want to. So let's take 2 insulation parts and 2 of those pieces. Look at them. They are like gold. You use the right size for your wires. Here I have 2 wires. Well, they have to go on there. And before you forget, you put the insulation part up. There we go. It's an insulating sleeve, right? Put this on there before you forget. Do we want to start with the black first? Okay, so here we need to insulate. There. This much. Okay. I know what you want to do. I know what you want. You want to twist this, but no, 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 no. Do not twist it. You should never twist it. This will cut the wire. So, we put this one into our crimp tool, here like this. There. It's in here nice. So this crimp tool crimps both at the same time, the piece for the copper part and the piece for the insulation. So now we insert this right in the hole. Wiggle it in there a little bit. There, all the way in. You can see this here, it's all the way in. And then you crimp hard until it clips. And now we look at this here. Look at it on this side. None of those strands is cut by those sharp metal pieces from here, right? It crimps around it. That's perfect. When you twist the wire, what happens is those sharp edges. I don't know how I can show this to you. Those sharp edges here, those, they were crimped around and they cut this way in here. And if your wire is twisted in there, it will cut the wire. We don't want that. We want the bunch of wires in here to be split apart and rolled up. So let's try this again. We do this much. Okay. We make sure that this stays together, right? That's what we can do, though. Now, this one goes in here. Where is it? Here. So make sure it sits correctly in here. Give it a little push more, though, like this, right? And then we insert our wire right through here, carefully. All the way in. Like that. And then we crimp really hard. Can we see good? Look at this. Look how beautiful. This is the correct crimp. This piece here at the end, this one is crimping the insulation that doesn't slide off. And this piece here is crimping the wire without cutting the single strands. And then you just put the sleeve over here, like this. There. Look at this now. The sleeve is over there to protect it. Perfect crimp.